Hi, I'm Beth with the University of Florida, Escambia County Extension, and a really nice perennial herb that we can grow that's still kind of new for a lot of people is our stevia plant. For us up here in North Florida, stevia is often a perennial, although it is frost tender. So if we go through freezing temperatures, expect this to freeze back, but often return from the roots. Now, a lot of times stevia plant will last about 2 years, and then you may want to start over, or sometimes it'll actually reseed for you to get some new plants started. It's not going to be extremely showy. It is in the aster family, so it does have very nice white flowers. But before it flowers, we want to use this in different ways to help sweeten different things that we make in the kitchen, whether it's a drink, a nice treat we make, or even some kind of fruit salad. And so we can harvest these leaves, and really they're intense and have a nice flavor to them. So for us, stevia is as easy in the herb garden. Think about adding this next spring when our temperatures warm up again, or you can even add it this fall because we'd still have some warm weather to go, but you may want to use it in a container that you can protect from a freeze if it's new. It loves this full sun garden with occasional water. It'll do great. So now we're going to go inside, and Dorothy Lee is going to show us a neat way to prepare this to use in a drink or something else we're preparing.
Welcome to Extension Kitchen. I'm Dorothy Lee, Family and Consumer Science Agent, and today we're going to take a look at some wonderful artificial sweetener, some fresh leaves, and we're going to do a technique to kind of extract some of that sweet flavor from it. I have some stevia leaves, and I have taken the leaves off their stems and discarded the stems, and then washed the leaves. And now what I'm going to do with all the leaves is I'm going to kind of stack them up, and I have a cup. I'm going to put in the bottom of the cup, and I'm using a spoon, and I'm going to it's called muddling. I'm going to muddle the leaves so that we can extract all the flavor from the leaves. This is done with a variety of fresh herbs, especially those herbs that have a lot of oil in them. So there are quite a few in the bottom of the cup, and all I'm doing with the end of my spoon is I'm just kind of really crushing it, and that technique is called muddling, and that's going to extract some of that flavor from the leaves. Okay, there is a kitchen gadget called a muddler that you could use if you want to, but I find that just a regular kitchen spoon works well. Okay, and now I'm going to take our muddled leaves and put them into a cup of water. You could use a tea or any type of beverage, and so now we have a very sweet beverage. Thing about stevia is a lot sweeter than, it's 200 times sweeter than sugar, and if you're using the alternative sweetener, whether it's powder, whether it's the liquid syrup, or you have the wonderful fresh leaves, it's 1 teaspoon is equal to 1 cup of granulated sugar. So it's a very sweet, wonderful sweetener to use.